Hey y'all, welcome back to Axel and Dad's Simply Cooking. Today marks 1 year on YouTube. So I figured what better way than to make a cake to celebrate 1 year on the YouTube. And of course, we're going to keep it the Dad Simple way how I've been doing it with the cake box. It's a box of cake. Instead of oil, we're going to be using some butter. Instead of the 3 eggs, we're going to use 5 eggs. And instead of the 1 cup of water, we're going to use 1.25 cups of milk. So, what we're going to do to start with, we're going to get our cake mix open. And we are using just chocolate fudge cake. Yep, just grab it by the bottom. You gotta shake it out. Just like that. Alright. We're gonna add the butter. Just pour it on in.
Butter, pour it in. Look at that.
Good job. We'll leave that out. We're gonna add our pack of Jello on in. So we're gonna do 1.25 cups of milk. So right there.
Warm enough, you know.
Perfect. Now we're gonna add our eggs.
And I only want the egg crackers.
Crack it right here and pour it into there. That way you don't get those shells in.
Did I?
Good.
I just cracked the whole thing open. I want the egg.
Egg. Good.
Now I'm gonna do that last one.
You can do the last one, good sir.
Watch this.
Good job. And we're just going to pour his eggs right on in.
Hey, watch this.
Oh, good job. And now mix.
Mix. It just said we do a mixer and don't do that. It's fine, we can do this.
And preheat your oven to 350.
350. I'm sorry.
And get started. Now I got a casserole dish, baking dish, whatever you want to call it.
Whatever you want to call it.
Spray it down. Get it ready.
459.
And then we're just going to dump it on in.
And it's going to ignite it and what it's supposed to do. I'm trying.
So now that we got that in there, we're just going to pop this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes until it's done. 350 degrees. So, wire cakes in the oven. I have a can of evaporated milk and a can of condensed milk. We're going to add them to a bowl.
Now I'm going to do that.
Pour it in.
Milk.
All right. And then,
another milk.
Yep. The evaporated milk is very thick.
Yep, sticky. Why is that so sticky?
It's thick milk.
Sticky milk.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my regular milk and in my can of evaporated milk, pour it and fill it up. Try to get the rest out. All we're going to do with that is just mix it up real well. Once everything's good and combined and you feel comfortable with it, pop it in your fridge. Our cake has been sitting, and I'm just going to poke some holes in it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my milk and I'm just going to pour it right on into my cake and fill it all the way up. Fill in all those holes. Make sure it's good spread all the way around and that those cake holes are absorbing everything. You might have to wish wash it back and forth a little bit, but as long as you get it in there, you'll be good. So now all I'm going to do is just set this in my refrigerator for the next 30 to 45 minutes and let it chill. All right, my cake. The cake, it done. And you can make a Cool Whip frosting topping if you want to. I didn't want to. I just felt make it easy. So I'm gonna put some Cool Whip in my container here, my tub, my little bean right there. I'm gonna add a little bit of Hershey powder to my Cool Whip. A little bit of vanilla in there too. Yummy. Just a splash. And just put my Cool Whip on top. So now it's time to go ahead and grab a plate and go ahead and cut into this delicious cake that me and Axel made. And let me tell you, it turned out amazing. Oh. So my mic was acting up here, but the kids were ready. I was ready to try this cake. And let me tell you, this is one of the best cakes I've ever made. Super moist, super good, and just 10 out of 10. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.